This is from the company Ascher, and this has 4 light mode operations, 2 USB cables included, and I think that's all. Kind of a nice looking box. It kind of looks like a fancy watch box or something when you get it. And I just got this in. I did take it out and just kind of like look over it here. We don't need that. The front light is 200 milliamp rechargeable battery. It's USB rechargeable, and it's got a 300 milliamp rechargeable battery in the tail light. Both of them are no batteries replacement. Yeah, four modes of operation: full brightness, half brightness, slow flashing, fast flashing, easily installation, all weather. A 300 luma front light and 70 lumas on the back, which is 110, 49. So that's dimensions. I guess that's dimensions throughout. Actually, enough of the instructions. Let's just kind of like go over it and let's see what we get with this thing. 2 USB minis. Come on, guys. USB minis. Give me a break. USB mini cables, not USB-C. Looking at the light itself, actually, it looks really good. Oh, I love how that works. Look at that. You put it on, wrap that around the handlebars, and then it just kind of like slides off like that. And it's like one of these universal things that'll fit on like a little bit of everything, actually. Yeah, there's only one way, so you can't accidentally put it in the wrong way. And looking at this one, so here's the rear tail light, and does it rotate? No. So that goes around like that, and you would just lift that up and see how that slips off when I want to charge it. And to charge it, I'll go in just same way right there. These are waterproof, by the way. Honestly, I like them when they're like that. That way I can just reach under the seat and then turn that on, and I'm good to go. Let's go ahead and put this on a bike. Oh, that looks cool too. Let's put this on the bike and see what they look like while they're on the bike. So let's do that now. Okay, everybody, I have my little Ascher bike here. This is a little foldable e-bike that I've got here, and it's got a decent little headlight and tail light on it. Let me turn it on and show you what the tail light and headlight looks like. So it's got this LED headlight there and a tail light there, but I wanted to add a little more kind of visibility to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my headlight on there, which is a lot brighter than the stock headlight, and then the tail light goes on the seat right there. So let me go ahead and put these on, then we'll click over some nighttime riding, and let me show you how well these things work. And you know what? I love this little Ascher bike. I highly recommend this too because it is a very affordable little e-bike, and look how small and cute it is. So let's put the lights on there. I'm going to show y'all what it looks like kind of during some daytime riding, so you see how nice and in line. And by the way, this can go either vertical, or it's vertical now, or it can go horizontal. And the modes on this is the flashing like that, that's off, and then that's on, and that is low, and that's the flashing there, and then that's the super flash. I like that one right there because it's like the fast flash. And like I said, this already has a brake light on it and a tail light, but you know what? I like it like that. And this is the Vic Seed phone holder there. I like that too. And this, so here's the headlight. So the headlight I got on the flash, that thing is very bright, everybody. Let me mash it once there. So that's off. There's the all-time bright. Look at the difference between the stock headlight and the actual headlight right here. That is very bright. And there's low, and there's kind of like a strobe. And here's the one that I use during the daytime. I'm gonna zip up and down the trail till it gets dark, and then I'll show y'all how this thing looks when it's dark out. So yeah, let's start riding now. I can already tell that headlight's like lighting up a lot better than the headlight that's on the bike. Okay, here it is, it's nighttime, and I'm just gonna go over these little Ascher lights. Check out the brake light. I really like how that brake light shines like that. And then looking up here at the headlight, the headlight's very bright, and it shines, and it has a lot of distance to it. I don't know if you can see it. I turned off the headlight on the bike because the bike headlight lights up mostly on the ground there, but the Ascher headlight goes further out, and that's kind of what I want. I want to be projected further out because this is just like, seriously, 8 feet in front of me, where that's probably 30 or 40 feet out, and it's wider on that. And then let me go through some of the settings. There's the low, there's the flash, there's kind of like a strobe flash, and then back on high. And then the same thing down here on that. I'll back up and show you. We can turn that on. You can see how well lit up I am back here. Very impressive. This little package I recommend for anybody that's just needing a light, and this is adjustable, everybody. Look how I can turn this more to the side and up and down and rotate it. And it's easy to take on and off. You just slip it on and you leave the hanger still on there. So yeah, that's all I got on the Ascher headlight and taillight set. And you know what? The AP year, you know, full suspension, little 14-incher. See y'all in the next video.